everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer ownership of your Starlink account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Starlink app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the top right corner. Inside the account page, tab on subscription. This shows detail about your current Starlink service. To transfer ownership, you must cancel the service first. Scroll down and tap cancel service. Confirm the cancellation. Cancellation service does not remove ownership of the hardware. Next, you must factory reset the Starlink base. Unplug the power cable, plug it back in and unplug it again 6 times quickly. After that, the dish will reset. Now the new owner can take the dish. They will download the Starlink app, create their own account and activate the dish as a new service. And that's it. You have successfully transferred Starlink ownership on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.